Hey everybody, it's Baseplay12 or Mitch as you guys know me. Today's focus is going to be on if you're a YouTube creator, when is the best day and when is the best time to upload your video for your viewers. So if you want to see that, stay with me.
Baseplay12.
If you're a YouTube creator, what you want to do is upload your video at the optimal time that most of your viewers are watching. It just makes sense. You know, if you have your favorite TV show, they're not going to put it on at 5 o'clock in the morning because they know not everybody's going to be watching it at that time. They put it on when they know most people are watching. That's why they call it prime time. So what you need to do for your channel is know when your viewers are at their prime time. What is their prime time that they're on YouTube so that when you upload your video, you're going to maximize the most views you can. So today's video, I'm going to show you how to find that out. So there's just one thing you need to do before I show you this, and it's install TubeBuddy. It's free and it allows you to see some cool analytics from YouTube. And what you'll have to do is open up TubeBuddy to be able to see this. And it's super easy, and if I can do it, I know you guys can do it. So let's go ahead and find out when's the best time to upload your YouTube video. Okay, everybody, so let's go ahead and find the best time to upload your YouTube videos. So you're going to need to download TubeBuddy. I have left you guys a link in the description to that, but you could just Google TubeBuddy. And once you have TubeBuddy installed, here's what you do. You go to your YouTube studio, and you're going to now go and click on Analytics. Okay, so once you have clicked on Analytics, you're going to go ahead and take a look at this upper menu at the top of your screen, and you're going to go ahead and click on Audience. Okay guys, so once you have clicked on Audience, you're now going to see a graph that shows the days of the week and the times that your viewers are on YouTube. Now for me, this is my viewers for the last 28 days. So you can go ahead and see that the purple bars show when my viewers are most on YouTube here. So I'm taking a look at Sundays, and 6 a.m. and 7 a.m. are the times they're mostly on. You can see here that Wednesdays would not be necessarily the greatest day to upload my videos here because there's only one purple bar here. But you can see as it gets to Thursday and Friday, you can see there's 3 purple bars here, there's 3 purple bars there, 2 purple bars on Sundays, and then 2 more on Saturday. So, you can kind of, make your decision from this graph here. You definitely don't want to upload your videos when nobody is going to be watching them. It just kind of makes common sense here. So you can kind of look at the graph, take a look at your dark purple bars here, and kind of make your decision on, I can see that Thursday and Friday might be a good day. Saturday is usually a good day too because people are home. This could be a day where a lot of people were just at work. And it kind of depends on what the month was like too. Were there holidays, whether was it spring break when people were not there. So you kind of have to take that into account too. But this is a really good graph that shows when your viewers are on, so you can make a good decision on what days to upload your videos. Now, TubeBuddy also will have their recommendations here. So they have taken the data and that chart and just have said, hey, a good day to upload your video would be Saturday at 6 a.m. So you can see here daily, they give the best times that my viewers are on YouTube. So it's a good recommendation on what days and what times I should be uploading my videos. Okay guys, so it is that easy. So I know those of you that are YouTube creators, I know how bad it is when you upload a video, you're super excited, and you see that the numbers were just not what you were expecting. And it's not your fault. It's just one of those things where you have to know when was the best time to upload that video. If your viewers were not on, that wasn't your fault, but you need to know when they are on. So today's video was just to show you how to find out that information. So that way, when you upload your next video, you should start to see those numbers increase. Obviously, it's going to have to do with the content of your video also. but uploading it at the optimal time is also crucial in order to get those views for your video. All right, guys, I am BassPlay12. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.